Jack, everybody. Today we are using our slow cooker and we are going to be making a spicy cheese dip. Yes, a cheese dip in the slow cooker. And the recipe is down in the description box, along with links to miscellaneous kitchen items, including the slow cooker itself. So let's get started. Okay, we have a slow cooker. This is a 2-quart, very small one. Very reasonable. This is perfect for dips. And we have 1 can, 15 ounces of diced tomatoes with green chili peppers, undrained. Pour it all in. And we're going to try to make that even. Now we are going to layer pasteurized cheese. And I cut it into slices. This is 8 ounces. So it's half of one of those blocks that you would normally buy at the grocery store. Now we are going to add cheddar cheese, Monterey Jack, 8 ounces. 4 ounces of each. If you don't have it together, you can buy this together. That's exactly what I did. All right. And last but not least, a teaspoon of cumin. And we are going to put the lid on, cook on low for 3 hours. Okay, it's been 3 hours. Let's take a look. Oh, look at that. Oh, that smells good. Maybe a little stickage. Alright, let's give this a nice stir. That looks amazing. But we're not done yet. 2.5 ounces in a can, drained, of olives, sliced. Oh, now look at that. And we are going to turn this off. And that just looks amazing, doesn't it? And there you have it. A nacho cheese dip with olives in a crock pot. All right, let's give this a try. I'm going to try it with a small nacho. I'm going to try to get a little bit of everything on here. I have some celery, some carrots. It's a beautiful spread going on here. Olives come right out. Make sure you add them last. They'll turn to mush. The chilies are there. The pepper jack, Monterey Jack cheese is there. Cheddar's there. This is nice. You saw how easy it was to put together. Beautiful for a party. Look at this beautiful spread. We got celery, carrots, nachos. All right, until next time, this is a Classical Gourmet wishing you happy cooking.